Whether you're building a boat or working on a smaller scale project in the shop, quickly and precisely replicate angles with the Boat Builder's Bevel Gauge. Built with a stainless steel blade and anodized aircraft-grade aluminum body, this corrosion-resistant tool is prepared for life in a marine environment or any shop. And the innovative design offers the perfect balance between moving easily into position and staying there through normal handling. So transferring angles from project to workpiece is quick and easy. The Boat Builder's Bevel Gauge from Woodworkers. Layout work on the narrow edge of stock is awkward with most woodworking rules. The rule must align with the face of your stock, but it's wider than the edge you're trying to measure, preventing you from marking without breaking alignment. And you can still struggle to keep the rule parallel to the edge while working on the face of a workpiece. Woodpecker's new Woodworkers Edge Rule eliminates these issues by wrapping around the edge of your stock with an accurate scale on both sides. The short side of the tool is just 3/8 of an inch wide, leaving room to mark stock as thin as 7/16, while the long side reaches 3/4 of an inch across the face of your piece. Whether you're working on the edge or the face, the corner of the edge rule always keeps you properly aligned. Use the Woodworker's Edge Rule to measure from inside corners by keeping your scale square to your stock and starting flush at the edge. Mark the edge and face at the same dimension by placing the desired dimension at the end of your board. Find the center of 3/4 inch nominal stock by scribing a line from both sides. Plus, use the edge rule for midfield measurements. Both edges are beveled, placing the scale right next to your work, simplifying marking and minimizing parallax error. Available in handy 6, 12, 24, and 36 inch lengths, all of your project sizes are covered. The Woodworker's Edge Rule from Woodpeckers. Precision made in the USA.
Remember when people provided warmth and shelter for their families with nothing but an axe and some good old-fashioned willpower? It's about time to get you back to your roots with the WEN Lumberjack. This 6-ton electric log splitter has the capacity to take on logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20 inches in length without requiring a single drop of gasoline to do it. There are no fumes, minimal noise, plus a required two-handed operation to keep you safe from this beauty's 12,000 pounds of log cracking pressure. Not only is it useful, but it's also a heck of a good time. The WEN Lumberjack includes a built-in log cradle for even splits, a 2-horsepower motor, and a wheel kit with rubber grip handles for maximum mobility. So what are you waiting for? Time to close your computers, get outside, and start your engines with the WEN Lumberjack. Remember WEN.